Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to be doing a quick wig install for you guys. Well, I hope it's quick and it's beginner friendly. Now I'm going to be trying out something new, something I've never done before. I'm going to be using wig tapes. Never done it before. So wish me luck and let's see how this goes. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it is from Nadula Hair, and this is what the wig looks like straight out the box. So it is a pre-colored wig, pre-bleach, and the knots, I don't have to bleach the knots whatsoever, and it's also pre-plucked as well. So this is a 7x5 closure wig, so that means you can wear this wig glueless. You don't have to wear any glue with it whatsoever. You can wear it just as is with the elastic band. Now if you do want it to have a bit of hold and wear time to it, then you would add glue to it, but in today's case I'm going to be using the wig tape. So this is the HD wig cap, and I like using HD wig caps when it comes to HD lace wig. I also have the adjustment straps for the wig as well, which is a must because I do have my head size is about 21, and most small wigs, they start at 21.5, so I definitely need the adjustment straps. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into this tutorial. As you can see, I already have my wig cap on. I'm not gonna be doing the ball cap method because honestly, when it comes to the ball cap method, I only like doing it with like a full frontal wig. So basically like a 13x4 or 13x6. So if the lace goes all the way across, then I will do the ball cap method. But if it doesn't go all the way across, it's kind of pointless, I find. So then I don't do it. So I'm just gonna pop this wig on my head and just see what we are working with. Okay, so as you can see, I can definitely do glueless with this wig. I know it's looking a little crazy right now, but obviously we have to fix that. So as for the lace, I do have to tint this lace, but I will tint it once I apply my makeup, and then it will blend into my skin a lot better. So the lace goes right across. Okay, so we have to adjust that a bit because child, she is sitting a little too low on the forehead. I do have to fix my wig cap though, but yeah, the knots look pretty good on this wig. I really don't have to bleach them at all, so it does look pretty good. And as for the hairline, it's a little bit straight across for me, so I'm gonna fix that up. I'm just gonna tweak it up a bit. But guys, honestly, you could wear this wig without any form of glue if you wanted to. All right, so as for the hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of change up that hairline a bit. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with my comb. This is pretty low, I gotta pull this back up. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out some pieces right here. Okay, I think I like how that is looking. And as for this hair, I am gonna do it in a side part because I just feel like it's gonna look better. Yeah, we're doing a side part today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. All right, so that is gone. Okay, maybe there was a bit much. No, it's okay. All right, so I already like the hairline a lot better. I think this looks more realistic to my face. And yeah, see, now it has kind of like a widow's peak. It's not like a perfect widow's peak, but I just like how this looks. It looks so much better. All right, so before I add the tapes, I'm gonna go ahead and prep this wig a bit. I need to comb this hair kind of out of my face. So I'm gonna go in with my hot comb. All right, so I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb and just kind of comb that hair back a bit because I just don't want it in my face. And since I'm working with tape, I just want to make sure all the hair is away from my face. You guys are going to be seeing me doing this for the first time. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the tape. I watched like one video, and what she did was she actually put the tape on the lace. When I attempted this before, I actually put the tape on my skin. I attempted this I think 7 years ago. So it was an epic fail. And at that time, I really didn't even know how to glue down wigs that well. So that could be part of the reason why it was an epic fail. All right, so I'm just gonna break this. All right, so this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna apply this onto the wig. So I'm gonna lift this. All right, I'm gonna go into voiceover mode for this because I cannot talk while I do this because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, how does this work? How does this work? Listen, this method was not working for me at all. I tried it and it was just not working. It was an epic fail. The tape was coming out all wrong. Listen, if you have long nails, this might be a bit of a struggle. So I'm gonna try this technique instead because The other way was just not working for me. I feel like this, I'm gonna have a better result. So I'm going with this method.
Now this is the second attempt. I'm gonna do this again, and this time I'm gonna put the tape on my skin. Obviously now this is double-sided tape. So I applied it onto the skin and then I pull the lace down. Once I pull the lace down, I start to like brush it into the comb to get it to look super flat into the lace. This was my first time, but it turned out well.
Okay, so it's not looking too bad, but we do have some lace right here. And I obviously can't put the tape here or else you're gonna see it and it's gonna look weird. But I do have to cut this off. Now for this part of the lace, I'm just gonna melt it down with some melting spray because I don't wanna put the tape too close to the edges. As you can see, the lace does not match my skin tone perfectly. So I'm actually gonna go in with some lace tint, and the one that I like to use, it's by the Wig Gurus. And this is what it looks like. Now this shade is Caramel Frappe. I usually use Caramel Beige, which is a little bit lighter, but they sent me a free sample when I bought the Caramel Beige, and I'm out of the Caramel Beige, so I'm just gonna have to make this work. So I'm actually gonna spray it onto my brush like so, and then I'm just gonna, ooh, see, it is a little dark. That's why I can't use too much of it. So that looks a little bit better. It's obviously gonna look a lot better once I apply my makeup as well. So that looks pretty good. So it's actually pretty secure, but as you can see, the edges is kind of lifting because there's no tape there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply some melting spray, and this is just gonna melt down that lace into my skin. It's gonna give it a flawless finish. And I'm not gonna put too much of that on either.
After going in with my Sticky Little Secret melting spray, I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to dry it.
All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my melting band on. I'm just gonna leave this on for quite a while. Now, usually I would leave the melting band. I cannot talk. Now, usually I would leave the melting band on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit longer because I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna be coming back looking like a whole other person. All right, so I am back. I mean, who is she? Like, literally turned into a whole new person, okay? All right, so let me just go ahead and start styling up this wig. As for baby hairs, I'm not gonna do a lot because you guys already know I don't really love baby hairs. But I feel like when you have curly hair, like curly wigs, I just feel like it looks better. So I'm just gonna do a little at the side right here. And I'm not the best at doing it. By the way, I'm not like a baby hair hater. I don't love them on me. Like, I just don't like it on me. But I do see that it suits a lot of people. So hey, if you love it, just go ahead and do you. It's fine. Just for me, no. I need to fix this because it's just sitting kind of weird. I don't really like how it looks. And I'm gonna go in with some hair wax to do this. So I'm using this hair wax. Where I got this in like another wig. So another company sent this to me. I just don't know who sent it. But I love these little hair wax, but you can get hair wax anywhere.
And I'm just gonna take my hot comb and just style the hair.
I'm gonna curl this under. Ooh. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a edge brush, create a swoop like so. Ooh, okay, I am not mad at it at all. I need a little bit of a hairspray for this. Now, obviously the front of this hair is super frizzy, so I'm gonna go in with a curling one and try to fix that up a bit. I don't want the curls to be like super tight. I like how the curls in the back look. So I'm gonna try my best to recreate that in the front. By the way, I forgot to mention the brand of this curling iron one situation. This is by Turvix, but I got it on Amazon and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna use my curling one, and this one is by Remington. It is so old. I've had it for like probably like 10 years now. I'm gonna use this curling one and hopefully it works.
And I'm just gonna quickly go in with the curling one and just to curl up the front. The curls were looking a little bit tight, so I didn't want them to be super tight. But yeah, I hold it in for about like 12 seconds, then I let it go, and this is pretty much how it's looking.
I really love how it turned out. I actually love my makeup today. It goes with the hair, I'm feeling it. But yeah, so this is pretty much the finished look. It was a bit of a challenge to film this video, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you learned something new, comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I will see you guys in another video very, very soon. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Bye.